So this is a really awesome light. They're both really great. But also check out some of these accessories you can get with the Mini Bowens Mount. The little barn door. This is great, just like your normal barn door that you'd have on the bigger lights. Basically, pop it on with that Mini Bowens, it clips into place. And yeah, what this is gonna do is it's going to give you a lot more control over your light. So if you only wanted to highlight certain areas or expand a little bit more, maybe not the bottom part, you can really adjust where you want that light to hit. And that's really cool. I like that a lot. But also they have a Mini Bowens Lantern, and it's super easy to put together quickly. Just push it down and clip it into place. And then you can put this thing on your light with that Mini Bowens. And these things are just the perfect diffuser for like a softer skin tone, or just like lighting a scene without being too bright and too harsh, casting like big shadows behind you. So I love this. This is great. This is gonna be great in a little studio space, just adding extra light. But there you have it. Both of these lights are excellent. All of these accessories are awesome.